In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product pop-up in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a WordPress site and want to enhance user engagement or simply looking to boost your conversion rates, adding a product pop-up can be a highly effective strategy. Follow along as I guide you through the straightforward steps using WordPress and the Pop-up Maker plugin. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to WordPress.com. This is your one-stop platform for all things website creation and management. If you're new to WordPress, this interface will soon become your best friend for building, customizing, and maintaining your site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Login option. Go ahead and click on Login. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your main dashboard. Now that we are in the WordPress dashboard, it's time to navigate to the Plugins section. You'll find this on the left-hand menu. Click on it. The Plugins section is your gateway to endless customization and functionality for your site. By adding plugins, you can enhance your website's features without touching a single line of code. Once you're there, look for the Add New button. It's typically near the top. Click on Add Plugin. In the search bar that appears next, type in Popup Maker. This is the plugin we'll be using today to create your pop-up. Maker is a powerful and user-friendly plugin that enables you to create various kinds of pop-ups, including product pop-ups. As you type, you should see it appear in the search results. Once you've found Popup Maker in the list, click on it to view more details about the plugin. Next, you'll want to proceed with installing the plugin. There should be an Install button located nearby the plugin description. Click on Install and give it a few moments as WordPress works its magic behind the scenes. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site, and that's it. You've now installed and activated Popup Maker. With this plugin ready to go, you can now explore creating engaging pop-ups that can capture the attention of your visitors and highlight your products effectively. Remember, well-designed pop-ups can significantly increase your conversion rates by drawing immediate attention to special offers, memberships, or new product lines. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your WordPress site. Until next time, happy designing!